Alright guys, in this video I promise to demonstrate how I edit my videos using AI, and they are not crap edits, as you can see in this very video, where the subtitles are literally behind my head, which is absolutely insane. So not only are the subtitles there, there's sound effects, music and everything, and here's how I did it. I literally used this app, and if you want it, type link in the description and I'll send it to you straight away. And you can literally edit about 10 videos for free, so you can see if it actually works. And by the way, all the visual effects you can see in this video are all also thanks to this app. So the way I'm going to do it is just by clicking this one button. The button says One Click Pro AI Edit. Once I click this button, it's going to do so much magic that you've got to sit and watch it right now. Let me just click on it right now. Check this out. So I just clicked it right now and it's editing. I want you to see what actually happens. So check this out. You can see all these effects and different things that are happening behind the scenes by the AI. Now, it reminds me a little bit of Claude Code, but it does not require Claude Code. It literally works as a standalone app, and you can see what's freaking happening. How the hell are you supposed to edit with Claude Code if you can't see what's happening? So you can see these are all the different skills that were used in this edit. And you can see that it's starting to transform into a viral masterpiece. Now check this out. So first of all, it's locating the speaker in different scenes so that it will make sure that it's going to find the speakers. As you can see, this is the follow me effect that's going to be placed with a green screen. It's finding the speaker using AI vision, and then it's going to apply effects and zooms, and it's going to apply subtitles behind me based on what is being said. So as you can see, the bottom right of my screen here, let me just show you it because I'm not sure if you can see it, is all these different things loading. So the orange ones are remotions, the purple ones are hyperframe, and the green one is making sure that the subtitles are going to come up behind me. Now, why is all of this so important? Why do you need this? And I'll tell you why. Because as long as you're not editing your videos, you could be missing out on more views. And more views means more money. Cha-ching. So let's see what happens right after this is all ready. All right, guys, I'm going to be honest with you. This is a honest thing I'm just going to share with you. I wanted more effects. Like, I wasn't happy with the 4 effects from the One Click Pro Edit. So I said to it, listen to me, yeah? Add another 20 effects. I just literally asked for another 13 effects. And that was just an additional prompt. So additionally to the one click, you can ask for more effects and it will literally add more effects. As you can see here, right on top of me right now, as you can see above my head, all of these different effects are being created and they are being added to the timeline. You're going to see it drop right onto the timeline. Absolutely incredible. So once that's all ready, I'm going to show you what the result is and we're going to be able to see how good this really is. Alright guys, it's finished. Now I'm going to play for you the first 20 seconds of the video, but if you want to watch the full video that was just created, just follow me. You can see the whole thing and see the insane quality. Absolutely insane. Check this out.
This video is entirely edited without me lifting a finger. Every effect, every zoom effect, every sound effect, even the subtitles behind me, all of that is automatically done with one click using a new
I just paused it. Sorry about that.
software that works on Windows and Mac. Now, if you don't believe me, I'm about to demonstrate it in the next video. So subscribe or follow me so that just pops up in your feed in the next time. Now, all of the effects you're seeing as well are all generated automatically by AI based on what I'm saying in this video. The AI listens to my voice and listens to the transcript and takes that and creates effects. And remember, all of this is done automatically in one click. So it listens to the whole video, does the effects, does even the song. Even the song you're hearing in the background is literally chosen by AI. Now, it's also customizable. You can give it the sound effects. You can give it the music. You can choose the different sounds. So if you're already editing your own videos, wasting your time, hard work, now you can do it all in one click. So you can dish out more videos that make more views, that make you more money. Cha-ching.
All right, guys, you saw how insane that was. I ended up watching the whole thing. It was just addictive. There was a lot going on. I have to admit, you don't have to use that many effects. You can limit yours to have less effects. But I personally like that. I like having a lot going on because I think it keeps people glued to their screen. And so if I was you, I would just type link in the description, and then I will link in the comment section, and I will send this to you so you can start trying it, see if it works for you.